Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to put together a beautiful school ribbon flower. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want about 1.5 yards of ribbon, ideally 1.5 inches wide, along with a sharp pair of scissors. Don't forget your needle and strong thread, plus a lovely button or bead for the center. A hot glue gun or fabric glue will also be super helpful for the final touches. Now, let's start forming our petals. Begin by cutting your ribbon into 6 equal pieces, each measuring 10 inches in length. Take each 10-inch piece and fold it in half lengthwise, ensuring the right side of the ribbon faces outwards. Then, bring the ends together to form a loop, overlapping them by about 1/2 inch. You can secure this overlap with a tiny stitch or a small dab of fabric glue. With your petals folded, it's time to stitch them together. Thread your needle with a double strand of strong thread for extra durability. Now, take each folded ribbon loop and gather the raw edges using a simple running stitch. Once stitched, gently pull the thread to cinch the loop, forming a lovely petal shape. Repeat this step for all 6 of your ribbon loops, creating 6 distinct petals for your flower. For the grand finale, let's assemble and finish your beautiful flower. Arrange your 6 petals in a circular pattern, allowing them to overlap slightly to create a full bloom. Securely stitch or glue these petals together at their bases. Next, firmly attach your decorative button or bead right in the center of your flower. Finally, glue a small felt circle or a pin back to the reverse side, making it ready to wear or display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.